Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my video. So in today's video I want to talk about my new set of the LED light panels from Pixel. This one is the K80. Alright, so first thing first, let's talk about the carrying bag. So inside of this bag, because this kit comes with two lights, so inside of this bag is going to be two lights. So one of these is already right here, so the other one going to be inside right here. Okay, I just keep it in here. You're gonna have two of the light stand right here. One of these I'm using right here for this light, so one still in the bag. And next thing is the power adapter with the power cord. So yeah, again you have two of these. One I'm using over here and one stay in the bag. And another space right here for this light. So for me, if I want to do like a video shoot on location, one set of lights like this one, it's very easy, very convenient to use. Just put everything in one bag and we're good to go. Alright, it's very lightweight. Yeah, I actually have a couple of LED panels from different brands like the GTM light, and they are all bigger and heavier, but this one is very light. Like you see right here, it's only have one piece of made out of aluminum, lightweight, and as well as it can dispense the heat from the LED panel on the front. So because this LED panels is a RGB LED, so you can see they have the different kinds of LED. One kind actually for the CCT light, and the other one for RGB light. This band off, you can actually take it down if you want to, but for me, in most of the cases, I never want to take it out because it can help me to shape the light the way that I want to. It also comes with the diffuser, which is very easy to use. I'm going to talk about this later on. Okay, so move to the side. It have a couple of the lock right here that actually can lock the light in case that you want to move it like this 360 degree. You can turn it in any way. There you have the two slots that you can put the NPF battery. Keep in mind that the battery doesn't come with the whole kit. You always have the adapter come with the light, and just plug it in here. Right, so the power button on the left hand side right here, you can one for the battery operate and one for the DC power cable from here. So in this case, I'm gonna turn to the left hand side for the DC power. And so let's talk about the LED panel right here. So this light you can control with the different channel and group, which means like if you have like more than one light, you can set it in master and slave and then control wirelessly between the two lights. Very convenient, right? The function button right here, very easy to use. One for the group, one for the channel, and this one is actually for the quick adjust the power. Actually, this light can cover all the way down from 2600K, which is, you see, very warm right here, and go all the way up to 10,000K, which is very like kind of like white light. So because this one is a RGB LED lights as well, so the second mode is gonna be for the HSI. What you can see right here that it changed everything into the color. You can change all of the color from 0 to 360 degree. you can use that kind of preset to set up that lighting effect in the video. For example, you can create some sort of like police light, ambulance lights, or the lightning, as well as some sort of like the TV light. This is some sort of soft light, okay? And if I take it down, move it in like this, and take it off, you can see this is a harsh light. Like I said in the beginning, the housing on this one is very simple. It's like one piece of the aluminum like this to hold the whole panel, so it's very lightweight. Meanwhile, the housing on this one is so much bigger, thicker, and heavier. But it's also because of that, so the way it keeps the light cool supposed to be better than this. But you know, depend on the way that you want to use the light. If you travel a lot, you definitely want something like lightweight like this one instead of like heavy one. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. So this is my first look of the Panel K80 RGB professional video light, and so far I really like it. I'm gonna use them in my next project and see how it works actually in the real life. Goodbye.